Hey everyone, it's time to strip her down. Take out all the rotten stuff, broken stuff, dirty stuff, garbage stuff, all the stuff. Nice, cool, breezy, windy day, overcast, no sun. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Got an extra helper today, my nephew Daniel. He's gonna help us with the gutting process.
Yeah, someone called you, but I didn't come now.
It's raining. It's not raining.
Can't wait till this dog for that. It's gonna take a lot of time and a lot of work. You didn't see that was broken?
No.
Alright, full haircut, full shave. That's better.
Out?
Sit along that rest. That's a workout.
My shoulder's killing me.
Yeah, get it down in the bills. There you go. Beautiful.
Does that just lead straight outside?
Straight to the back. Beautiful.
Just clean down there.
Beautiful. Well, not beautiful, but beautiful. Wait on your hand and we're taking up this floor.
You see this? All of that goes straight to the back. You don't leave that in there.
And you gotta dig it out.
Dig it out now.
Okay, we successfully removed the B bracket from the back of the hull. Came off pretty easily. I was expecting it to give us a tough time, but all the 5200 that was holding the bracket actually built up a layer of corrosion between the aluminum and the sealant, and it came off pretty easy. There's some nasty stuff in there as well, really nasty, funky stuff. This is the bracket, as you can see. Not a pretty sight. So we're contemplating whether we should refurbish this and reuse this. It wasn't designed for the Bertram. It was designed for a flat transom. My dad took it to a welder and he added these little winglets, I don't know what you want to call them, to take up the space in the hull. There wouldn't be a big gap. It wasn't the greatest job, but it sufficed. So yeah, this is actually a 3-engine bracket that we converted for 2. So yeah, either reuse this, buy a new one if it's not too expensive, or build one out of fiberglass as a hull extension and put a platform on top of it. So yeah, that'll be money and labor. I don't know if I'm into that kind of labor, but we'll cross that bridge when we reach it. This is the teak pulpit. It came off, man, look at that. Some pretty wood. Look at how much it weathered. That's like almost 1/8 of an inch. Soil used to be just one flat surface. Pretty wood. Yeah, if anybody knows, has any ideas on how I could determine if this is still a viable piece of wood to be used as a pulpit, I'll appreciate some advice. I'd like to use it, but I don't want someone standing on it and it breaking on them either. And yeah, I didn't mash my thumb. Today was election day, and yes, I voted. Well, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, share, and leave a like. And thanks for watching.